Ready to tighten and flatten your stomach? Whether you're standing like me, sitting, or even on the go, it's that simple. But here's a key point. You don't need a gym to achieve a flat, tight stomach. However, a good diet is crucial. Excessive fat can hinder results, but I'll show you exercises that will help regardless of your starting point. As you shed pounds with a calorie deficit or a smarter diet and more exercise, your stomach will tighten and flatten even more. Now let's dive into the muscle we're targeting, the transverse abdominis, located deep in your abdomen. Unlike the outer rectus abdominis muscles, the transverse abdominis acts like a natural corset, pulling everything in tight. Imagine wearing a tight corset to support your weak back. This is what we're going to achieve naturally. A strong core supports your posture, pelvic floor, and overall stability, making everyday movements easier and more efficient. Weak core muscles can lead to back problems, herniated discs, and other issues. Picture yourself putting on your pants and feeling your stomach pulled in, flatter and tighter. That's what happens when your core muscles contract and shorten, just like any other muscle in your body. As you lose weight and continue these exercises, your stomach will look better and feel stronger. Let's work on the transverse abdominis. Start by taking a deep breath and blowing it out while pulling your belly button towards your spine. Hold for 5-7 seconds and then relax. Initially, aim for 12 repetitions. As you get stronger, increase the duration or number of sets. For an advanced move, take a deep breath, blow it out, and pull your belly button in. With your arms up, twist left, return to center, twist right, and return to center. 1 repetition. Do 12 reps of this as you progress. To take it even further, add a slight forward lean while twisting. Start with 6-8 reps daily, and don't overdo it. Consistency is key. This routine will tighten and flatten your stomach by contracting and strengthening muscles, not burning fat. Remember to cut out refined and processed foods. Stay active with your favorite exercises, manage stress, stay hydrated, and maintain a good diet. Your body will thank you. Share this video with friends and family, leave your comments below, and have a great day.